Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your Spotify app, but like on your phone. So now you're able to do it. I think before you can only do it on your PC, but just go to the gear icon here, and then you're going to go to languages, and here is where you can set your app language. So select continue. And then go to language and select the preferred language, for instance Indonesian. And then if you go back to your Spotify, hopefully it's going to change to that language. Yeah, it did change it to another language. If you want to change it, just go back to settings and then change it back to, for instance, like English. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!